Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Morph AI Studio. You can create your AI workflow, animated workflow, text to video generated by AI. So first thing to do is sign in first on this Morph, and then let's try create new project. You can choose aspect ratio here and untitled project, the name here, for example. And then create. So here you can tell your story. Don't mind about this, you can do it later for duration, motion, blah blah blah. So describe your shot here, and let's try tell your story first. So this is the first turn text into the video. So you have to upgrade. Okay, this is in my second project, but more or less it's like this. Let's try open my first project. Here we go. So you have to pay here. I don't notice about this. So here, for example, a beggar found child on the river, this one, and then and raise the child, it will become martial artist, and now the child become young master of martial arts. So here we go, how you can use this text into your workflow, animated video by AI generated. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so on button below. See you in the next video.